your man's feet do for a living, Isotoner comfort slippers can relax them. The unique fabric soothes his feet to help him feel relaxed all over. So no matter what your man does for a living, give him Isotoner comfort slippers.
Available at Stearns.
Hi. Well, the kids want you to take them again tomorrow on the big hill.
New York Telephone presents the thank you call.
I remember the day you got it for me. We stayed outside till we froze.
New York Telephone's low regional calling rates make it easy to call and say, thanks for the memory.
I can't believe you've saved that sled all these years. Thanks, Daddy.
So call before the past slips away.
I can't live without you.
Joel Siegel reviews broadcast news on Eyewitness News at 11.
Hooperman and Slap Maxwell will not be seen tonight.
What was it, something I said?
But they'll return next week.
Hey, watch my smoke.
Now stay tuned for a special presentation.
The sound of Christmas is in the air.
From Salzburg, Austria, Julie Andrews, The Sound of Christmas, starring John Denver, The King's Singers, and special guest star Placido Domingo. Julie Andrews, The Sound of Christmas, brought to you by JCPenney. We bring out the Santa in you. And AT&T, the right choice.
Every day, over 30 million AT&T calls go through on the first try. Thanks to a remarkably intelligent network that forecasts traffic, anticipates tie-ups, and determines the quickest way around them. All in less time than it takes to dial. The AT&T network, you can call it the mastermind of long distance.
Glad I got through.
We're reaching further to bring your world closer. AT&T, the right choice.
Honey, I love my old bathrobe.
Yes, but I'm the one that has to look at you.
Right now at JCPenney, the entire line of men's sleepwear and robes is on sale.
You know, honey, you don't look so hot in that.
Women's Vandermeer full-length fleece robes are now only $19.99. And now through Christmas, every JCPenney store opens at 8 a.m. What better way to start your day, except maybe in a brand new robe.
Boy, you look gorgeous in the morning.
JCPenney.